So to let you guys in on the situation, they're actually growing, these little buds here. A couple of them I just need to re-soil, like those. These ones are somewhat okay, the ones that did survive. Bit of an issue this week, we had a heat wave and we've also had a hailstorm, climate change. So the flowers are not in the best shape, and then the yard itself as well, we tried to like dig up. Hubby tried to really dig it up this morning. It was very, very strenuous, so didn't really quite get how much I wanted. I will show you guys in a minute. And basically just had a shovel and just did what we could. So it's just like a little patch, and then I'm gonna have to get some like actual planters, I think, to go on top of that, like around the sides to kind of have more space for growing. But I will put these bad boys out. Most of them will fit, so I'll put them out today, but it is very hot, so I might do it a little bit later. So this is our little situation. So as far as we got this morning with the digging and the stuffs, I actually thought I had a lot more flowers than I do. And to be honest, most of them look really not happy. So this is an experiment. We might end up losing all of them, and then we just need to plant them all again and restart the process. So I ended up having a shower and spending an hour trying to do my hair. We have a guest on the show.